Hey, this is Ian Moore with Dave Sinclair Buick GMC here in St. Louis. Question we get asked pretty often: how do we pair our phones to our cars? Today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. We're going to be using a 2021 GMC Yukon Denali. And the first step in the process, you're going to want to pull your phone out, settings, and you're going to go to Bluetooth. First off, make sure it's turned on. And you're going to go up to the radio screen, and no matter where you're at, if you're listening to the radio, home button here or home button here will bring you back to your main page. Phone icon, connect phone, add phone. From here, there's going to be a My GMC pop-up under other devices at the bottom. You may need to scroll down a little bit if you have a few devices connected. Select here, make sure the numbers pair, and then the phone is going to ask you a few questions. Hit allow. Next question is going to be about wireless Apple CarPlay, since I'm using an iPhone, which I will touch on a little bit more in depth in another video. And after it connects, this is where your phone will land in the wireless Apple CarPlay screen. And if you wanted to return back to the home screen to check either your navigation or go back to your radio, you just hit the home button. And on the newer GM vehicles that are running wireless Apple CarPlay, it's a little bit different of a process to delete a phone off of it. Say you had a buddy riding with you, his phone was paired and you wanted to pop that off. Instead of going through phone like you used to, you actually have to hit settings, phones, and then you can forget a phone right through there. There you have it. And that'll do it for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or any other tutorials you'd like me to do next. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube page.